YA friends, welcome to You Need to Read These at your Grand Rapids Area Library, where we talk about important things happening in the YA section of the library. This week we're going to talk about the Arrowhead Library System and Libby apps. So the Arrowhead Library System app allows you to manage your library account. You can search for materials, place holds on items at any library, renew checkouts, and more. So let me just show you a couple things here. There's also something called open access, which is millions of articles you can search. There's a cool feature where you can scan an ISBN barcode. So if you're out at a store and you see, hey, I wonder if the library has that particular book, you can scan the ISBN on the back. In the My Account area, here's where it shows you your checkouts, if you have anything on hold, if you had any fines. The other cool thing that you can do is you can link accounts. So if there are 2 or 3 people in your family that have library cards, you can put them all into the app, and so you can check all of your accounts from here. And the searching is pretty simple. I'm just going to do a search for dog and hit return. And what you see then tells you how many results. And then you can also do limiting by locations. You can limit by materials and or formats. So it's a pretty simple, easy way to do some searching. All you have to do is go to your app store and search for Arrowhead Library System, and you can get the app and you're on your way. The other app is the Libby app, and in this app you can get audiobooks, ebooks, and even magazines. Let's see here. I'm going to show you a couple things on the bottom here. There's 5 icons. The spyglass on the left, if you have a particular author title, you can search here. The building, this is the library, so it's like you're going browsing in the library. There's curated collections, and you can take a look and see what's there. The lines in the middle, this is where your settings take place. The book, this is where your shelf, so if you have anything checked out, if you have anything on hold, you'll see it here. And the last one is the timeline. So this shows you everything that you checked out and when it was returned and all that good stuff. So this app, I'm going to go right here. Now the cool thing about this too is if you have a particular format, if you just want audiobooks or ebooks, you can set your preference. So here, if I go to format any, if I wanted audiobooks or magazines or the read-along books. And the other thing you can do is you can set the availability. So if you want only stuff that's available now or coming soon, or you want everything, you can set that as well. So this app is great. You can also, if you get it on your phone or your iPad, you can, and your car is a newer car, you can use it in your vehicle as well for the audiobooks, not the ebooks, just the audiobooks. So that is the Libby app that you can get. Go to your Play Store or the App Store and do a search for Libby by Overdrive, and you can get the app. So these apps make it a little bit easier to use the library. If you ever have questions about them, don't hesitate to ask a librarian. See you next time.